Welcome back, and today I'm going to talk about the newest feature, which is Instantly MCP server. Just stick around because I'm going to show you how to set this thing up. It's really simple. I'm going to show you the capabilities that it has, and I'm just sick of everyone just gatekeeping this top tactics, as I would call it. But I'm going to show you like all the things. So yeah, just stick around and I'll show you how this works. And this was recently released by Brandon Charlson. I was binge watching him and came across it. So he's the guy who released it. Kudos to him. And I've already set up my own MCP server, but let me just show you how to do it. So first of all, you will come to this link. You can basically search Instantly MCP, and it should be the first link in the search. And just follow the steps exactly because that's exactly how I do it. You scroll down to this section. Um, you can read it out if you want to, the key features. So you can see that you can manage your campaigns, your accounts, sending accounts, your leads. You can update leads, delete leads, add leads. You can extract analytics from it. And by the way, all of this is just possible by talking to the microphone, or just prompting AI to do it in natural language. You don't have to do anything else. And here's how to do it. So if you're using any of the following apps, such as Cloud Desktop, Cursor, Windsurf. I'm using Windsurf honestly because I have my knowledge base on here. But yeah, here's how you do this. So you come up to this one, the first one, where you just go into your configuration file. Now, if you already have some MCP server set up, you just want to copy this part right here. But if you don't have any, just copy this whole file because this will need to be pasted, copy and pasted inside of the JSON file that is somewhere on your um, basically computer. So I'm not gonna show you the cloud. Um, if you have MCP servers already installed, you know how to configure it on cloud. I'm just gonna do it in here. So this is my knowledge base and my AI agent right here. So I have all of the knowledge about my business, what I'm learning about, um, mindset, even mindset reviews. So a lot of stuff. And I've already been doing some of it here. So let's just open up this panel by clicking Ctrl-L, Shift, and I mean Control, Shift, and P, and then typing in MCP server configuration panel. Or yeah, let's do this one, and then click Add Custom Server. So you should see MCP config JSON.json file. You will see this also in Cloud or Cursor. Wherever you open this, it should look something like this. Now, I mean, I just realized that I'm showing all my API keys, but no worries. I I'm not like actually using these servers yet, because I don't really have these things installed. So don't show this to anyone, because if someone, for example, finds out about your key, uh, he will be able to basically come in and delete all the campaigns, of the leads, all of the analytics, everything. So don't show this. But just for context, my Instantly is completely new because I don't use it personally. So here's what you do. You just paste in the thing that you copy and pasted. So this one, and you do it like this. You add a comma and you add it in. And basically, like, it should be working with you just inserting your API key. So let me just show you where to find this. And you come into your Instantly, you go into the settings of your account, the integrations, and you find the API keys, and you create a new API key, name it, and select all. Once you have that, copy and paste it, bring it into here. Copy and paste the prompt from before, which was just this. Again, you can find this right here. It's just this part. If you have already set up MCP servers, if you don't, just select the full part and copy and paste that into here. And then just this section, it will be saying something like your, I don't know, API key, something like this. So just select this part and oh yeah, and paste in your API key. Then click on close and save, and reopen your windsurf or Claude or Cursor, whatever you're using. And then what should happen is right here, this little hammer icon, you should see the Instantly tools open up. And what this means now is that you have 22 tools the AI can use. Now you can go through them or read them out. They're pretty cool actually. You can create campaigns, you can get lists of campaigns, you can get analytics, you can do anything you want, and you can do it just by talking to AI. So, for example, I prompted it to basically extract my workspace ID, name, and scope, also the date that it was created. So this is today, and this is basically how it works. It will be very useful. I'm very excited for the future because the barrier to entry will just lower by a lot, with people just talking to their microphone or prompting AI to go into Instantly and do all of these different things. So of course productivity will again increase, and I'm just so excited for the future and what this will bring. Now, I am actually a expert that will take care of your projects that are just too much for you to handle. So I'm mainly targeting clay experts or admin agencies and helping them fulfill the go-to-market projects that they don't have time for. And if you know anyone who might fit that criteria, just DM me, please. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful and see you next time.